Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete contact on Samsung phone. So if you want to delete contact on Samsung phone, you need to follow these steps. So here, what you want to do is, first of all, open up your dialer. So here you have the dialer section, right? Then you could come to the contact section. And when you go to the contact section, all you need to do is just long press the contact that you want to delete. Then you could find the info section. And after which you could just go ahead and click on the gear icon, or else you could click on delete. So once again, you could go ahead and confirm the delete button, and you've successfully deleted the contact. Similarly, do the same thing for the rest of the other contact. So let's see, this is the one. Now then click on the gear icon and click on delete. So this is basically how you'll be able to delete contact on Samsung phone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.